the fact of the matter is, one of the saddest comments ever made in the last 10 years was not by any politician, because they are experts at it, was by the Supreme Court during the farm protests that were going on. And I think that typifies the way our, the national conscience is, and how we are conditioned to think one way. It is the way of the anarchy. The Supreme Court said that all we see are the people who are protesting against the farm laws. Where are the people who are for the farm laws? We don't see them. This was such a sad statement. I was stunned. Leave alone an adult making it the Supreme Court of India. What did the Supreme Court of India want? That 250 million farmers leave farming in far-flung Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, walk or come by train to Tilak Marg and protest there that they are for the farm law? Is that how you want the country to run? All of you are wealth creators. Your job is to create wealth, create education, wealth through education. You have your jobs to do. In a logical, sane world, intelligent people who are creating or doing something for the nation should never come onto the streets. That is why I say we are a banana republic ever since we became a republic. Because we expect people, decent people, law-abiding people, people who are earning, who are creating wealth for the nation, to leave all that, come onto the streets and protest something that should logically be given to them. And the people who block roads, who do these things, are mostly unemployed leftists, mostly who studied from my university, unfortunately. They are the ones who are celebrated. They are the ones so street veto is winning. Nothing can be more defeating, self-defeating for a country.
Just one point, and I think there's a fundamental flawed premise in your argument. The state is cowardly selectively.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, Ram Rahim, Yeah.
If Hindus were to sit there, then the reaction of the state would be utter masculinity.
Totally.
And if it's non-Hindus who are sitting there, it is completely, I'm sorry to say, they surrender, they go supine. They say, walk all over us.
Not just that, Sai, when Mulayam Singh ordered firing at Car Sevak, later on he was proud of it. They won elections, despite him saying that.
Or when Indira Gandhi ordered the firing over sadhus for the cow agitation. The Hindu state, or rather the Indian state, sorry, not the Hindu state, is replete with these examples. So and this is regardless of governments, by the way, regardless of parties. So tell me, the other side knows one thing. If they are shot at, there is a cottage factory waiting to swing into motion, which therefore will create enough noise for the government to go on the back foot. One, you don't have the cottage factory. Second, you know for a fact you'll be caught alone. Three, you know that the government becomes even more, let's say, bold when it is a Hindu on the streets. So again, collective action is constantly disincentivized by the fact that the Indian state finds its sleeping masculinity only when the Hindu is on the streets, nobody else.
They entered the national capital of this country. They removed the Indian flag from Red Fort. They put another flag there. 400 policemen protecting all that were grievously injured. All the cases against the people who did it were taken off.